To insert a 3D object into a scene, start by loading the desired model into your 3D environment. Once the object is placed, use the preview window to examine it and ensure it meets your expectations before confirming the insertion. This validation step helps you spot any issues with scale, orientation, or appearance early in the process. Next, adjust the pivot point of the object. You can choose from preset values or set it manually, depending on the positioning needs within your scene. It's also important to initialize the object according to the source file's unit system to maintain consistent dimensions and alignment. If your 3D object includes material files, make sure they are supported and applied correctly. This adds realism to the object by rendering it with its intended textures and surface properties. After applying materials, position the object on the ground within the scene to establish a realistic base placement. You can fine-tune the object's placement using rotation, movement, and scaling tools. For more precise adjustments, you have the option to input exact values directly in the user interface, ideal for aligning objects or matching scene measurements accurately. Once everything is in place, save the 3D object along with its coordinates and orientation in the scene. This allows you to preserve the setup for future use. When needed, you can re-import or download the object as a file and reuse it in other scenes or projects without having to redo the positioning.